Hello everyone. Today I found something interesting. It's called a Raspberry Pi solid copper case. Just look at it. It costs $250 and the thing is made out of solid copper. It's amazing, isn't it? It doesn't have any fans or anything. It's just the whole thing dissipates the heat because it's made out of copper. $249.95. Wow, that's a lot of money. But it looks really nice. I mean, it would look really nice on your desk or something. It says it has a steady temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Let me see how much 50 degrees Celsius is. So 50 degrees Celsius. So 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not too bad. Well, that's really amazing. It looks nice. I wonder where they sell it. I wouldn't mind buying it. It's like 785 grams, so that's about, let's see how much that is. That's 0.78 kilograms, roughly about 1.73 pounds. That's about 1 pound and 12 ounces. That's pretty heavy. Just amazing. It'd be nice if you had a Raspberry Pi 4 8 gigabyte with such a case. That would be pretty awesome. Let's see where they sell this thing. Solid copper case. You could buy it here. This is where they sell it. $249.95. Amazing. They also make another one. They also have another one that's made out of, is this steel? Oh, it's aluminum. Okay. It's a lot less money. But aluminum doesn't conduct heat as well as copper. They're amazing. Wow. Yeah, that is really beautiful. That is amazing. I might want to get this. When I do get it, I'll make a video about it. Pretty cool. It's made out of it's made with a CNC machine. Solid C110 copper bar. Wow. It's 99.9% pure copper. And it will tarnish, and when copper tarnishes, it turns green. That's one of the downsides of using copper. It tends to turn green in air temperature, but if you put it in water, it doesn't tarnish. Be nice if it was plated with gold, or if they had a gold Raspberry Pi 4 case, like 18 karat gold or something. It costs like, if it would cost like over $1,000, I wouldn't mind buying it. I would buy that. I could definitely afford it. Be nice to have something like that on my desk. Something unique like that. Piece of art. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out, and I will put this in the video description so you could look at this website, and if you're interested, you could order one. Okay, thanks for watching.